Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name's Claire. If this is your first time here, welcome. As you can see, today's look is like a champagne pink mixed with a green. So it's like a green and pink eye. This is like my middle school and elementary school Claire's favorite colors to put together. And so yeah, it almost looks like a butterfly look. I just think it's really, really pretty and really, really girly and feminine and fun. And so it's also really easy to do. And we only use like 2 palettes and like 1, 2, 3, like 5 shades, I think, 5, 6. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and yeah, have a seat. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and begin. I'm just super excited to go ahead and start with this look today. I'm gonna go into this shade. It's a little bit more of like a, I don't know, it's a little bit more of a cool tone, and this is more of like a sandy look, I think. And I'm gonna go and use that as a transition shade in that crease with just a big fluffy brush. I'm trying to decide if I want it to go like pink to green or green to pink. You know, I want it to be ombre. I'm almost thinking like my instinct tells me to go pink on the inner and then green on the outer because I don't know, it just feels like it would flow. But I almost want to go opposite of that, you know, like kind of do something that will look a little different. I've got to do something with my eyebrows. If you see bits of purple on my face, I promise I'm going to take care of that at the end. I told y'all this palette has, like, that purple shade has gotten everywhere, as you can tell when I dropped it, and it's really sad because it's such a pretty color. But if you can't tell, it's causing some distress in this palette. I think I want to work my way pink on the outer to green on the inner because it's not what my heart wants to do. You know, I want to do something different. So I'm going to go into this. This is like probably my favorite pink out of all these pinks right here. It is like that pink, that warm pink with that champagne hint to it. I love this color. This is like one of my favorite colors, period. And so we're going to work our way from that crease going down. I haven't used this shade in a hot minute. I'm going to restart that, and I'm going to try spritzing my brush first to get that shade to really stick because it's not wanting to. And I've never had this problem. I think it's just like I haven't touched this pink in a while. And it also may be because I may still have a little makeup remover on my eye from earlier. And so as you can see, I know it's on my face, but y'all know I'm going to take care of it. But I'm going to just kind of like build that outer corner and just this, the outside half of the eyelid since we're working our way in. I'm going to do that on the other side. Now I'm going to take a different brush. It's thin but fluffy. I'm going to spritz that because I just feel like if you spritz a brush, it's going to just work a million times better automatically. And we're going to go in with a little bit lighter shade of pink. I'm going to go in this pink right here. It's just such a pretty baby pink, and it also has it's like a gold tone to it, and with the green that I'm planning on using, I think it's really, those gold tones are all going to blend really nicely, I'm hoping. And so we're just going to like slightly use this as like a blending shade. It's going to go into the green that we're going to be using. So this is going to be like in the middle of our eye. As you can see, I'm just kind of like packing it down. This doesn't really have its own big moment, but it is going to be the center. So it's going to be bringing that deeper, warmer pink into the green that we're going to be using. So it doesn't get a whole lot of space on the eye, but it gets that center. And so I'm going to do the same thing over here. We're just kind of working it in. Honestly, I wouldn't be mad just making this an all over pink eye look. Now I'm going to go in with my Loyal flat brush from Morphe. Oh, I really hope the camera's not like all speckled with setting spray because I think it may be. But I'm going to go into this shade IE right here in the Perception palette, and it's like a jade green with like gold flecks in it, and it's, I don't know, I've been wanting to use it. I don't think I've used it yet, and so I thought it would be really pretty. And we're gonna lightly go in with a light hand and put this on the inner, that little inner corner, that little naked area that hasn't gotten any love yet. And so this is a very, very different look than what you may normally do. You know, the deeper colors you would think would go on the outside, but I wanted to do this pop of green on the inner corner because I just thought it would be really different. I'm about to go to work in a little bit, And when we bust it in there, this reminds me of like a butterfly. Almost like a caterpillar. A caterpillar turning into a butterfly. That's what it is. That's really beautiful, I must say. I had a lot of other greens that I was thinking about using, but I think this tone of green is just like perfect for this look, in my opinion. It just, no! This is why you do your foundation last. The only reason I'm wearing foundation first today, I think I'm going to start putting on my eye makeup first. But the reason why didn't do that first today is because I already have foundation on and I just took my eye makeup off. But I think I want to also take that IE green shade and use that as our main bottom lash line shade. Like, we're going to go all across that bottom. And don't worry, we hadn't forgot about that inner corner, okay? Now I'm going to spritz this little brush. I'll do it all away from the camera so it doesn't get on there this time. And I'm going to go into this shade Unbothered up here. It's a really pretty like white highlighting shade. And we're going to dagger that right in that inner corner. Just to provide that really bright dot. And I think that's just really pretty. It kind of covers up that green so the green is not as like strong. But you still have that green everywhere. That green's not going away. You know what I'm saying? And so now I'm going to take a little bit of that and put that on that hairy brow bone that I have that needs TLC. I really just need to go get my eyebrows done and like stop doing them myself because I'm like too lazy to do them myself. That's why my eyebrows never look good, if y'all were wondering. I think I'm also going to go into this baby pink shade that we haven't used yet and take a little bit of that, put it on that brush, and then put that a little bit right here. So like almost from the tear duct, not quite in the inner corner, but just kind of providing a little bit of a light pink transition into the outer green area. And it's not even really pink enough, it almost just looks like a different toned highlight. Yeah, this is a caterpillar look. I like it. Now I think I'm going to go in and I'm just going to line my waterlines with this Lorac eye pencil. And so I'm just going to line the top and the bottom waterlines. And then I think I'm also going to give myself a wing. A big old wing. Because, I'm sorry, I don't know why I said that yet. But yeah, I feel like this is a butterfly look, so I need wings. Okay? So I don't want to do that on camera because I want to kind of save time. And then I think I'm also going to film a video in the future about how I do my wing liner, even though you've kind of seen it. So yeah, I'm just going to do the wing and the liner off camera. And also I think I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes because I don't know, I don't feel like that is, I'll go ahead and start since I'm just like mumbling. But I don't feel like y'all people like to watch people do just like basic eyeliner. I mean, like, I know I do sometimes if I'm wanting to learn a new technique, but I don't know, I feel like it's in all of my videos me doing my eyeliner. And then the eyelashes, I just put on like a little bit of mascara and then you know, go in with my typical Lily lashes. But I think I'm going to actually order some Lily lashes. But yeah, sorry, I'm just mumbling. I'm going to go and do my stuff. Look how pretty this eye look is turning out. I just think it's stunning, honestly. And like, I'm not just saying that. I think it's just so different and so pretty. So yeah, you can see I did that wing and then I put on my lashes. They're sitting a little low right now. Oh, also, I'm so sorry about my nails. Just pretend that they don't look like this. I know they look like trashy. Yeah, so we're just not even going to talk about that. But yeah, so I think it's looking so like glorious. I think for my lips today, I want to go with like a pinky pink. And I think I'm going to go into the Kylie Cosmetics shade High Maintenance. It's one of my favorites. Actually, Coco K has always been my favorite, but High Maintenance is just like that girly bubblegum pink almost. And I feel like it'll tie in really well with the eyes. I really need to start using lip liners more. I always try to like line it with the wand like this. That's not good though. I've been wearing that ColourPop foundation like every day. And the only thing I do notice is like when I'm putting on the rest of my makeup, it's like this orangey greasiness builds up around my mouth. That's like the only thing. And then sometimes during the day it'll build up again. Like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like a spray tan gone wrong. I think I'm also going to go into the shade Naked Dolly by Too Faced. It is just like a creamy lipstick. And I think I'm just going to put a little bit of that in the center. Just to add, I don't even think it's really going to show up too much. It does a little, but just in the center, just to kind of, you know, bring out, oh my gosh, I have so much eyeliner on my hands, and when I touch my face it gets everywhere. I know I keep layering, but I feel like with the gold tones it almost needs, not gold, but something a little on the nudie side, and so I kind of want to go in with some lip gloss. I'm going to go in the Super Nude by KKW and just do a thin layer. This nude gloss is honestly like a light pink because I always go over my pinks with it. Okay, now real quick, I'm going to dig into a little bit of just a light pink blush. I already have on a little bit of bronzer from where I originally did my makeup earlier. So I'm just going to go in with this light blush. Just kind of add some little pinky color. Well, you know, my favorite highlights, I don't know what it is. I just love these two shades to use as highlights in the Jaclyn Hill palette. So put a little bit of that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay guys, I think that's it for today's video. This is the final look. Hopefully you like it. Honestly, I went into this look today planning to do a red smoky eye, and this is what we got instead, and I'm so happy with the overall look. I think when you go into a makeup look not knowing what you want to get, you don't have any disappointments because you don't have expectations in the first place. And so I just saw this look in my brain and I was like, I'm going to recreate it. And honestly, I think it looks really good. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel, if it's a good thing. Please don't be mean. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye!